So today we wanted to go over another product that's available through Sloan Express. We've had it for quite a few years, but it is a lot of the PTO driveline assemblies, other piece parts that are available. So we're just going to kind of go across the table here and show what products are available through Sloan Express, get into your different yokes depending on what size or series size that you need, even like the shaft size, whether it's like 540 PTO or even your thousands, what size you need there. Then you get into some of your adapters. We've got quite a few different adapters available, just a few here, just to adapt you maybe from a small 1000 to a large 1000, or maybe small 1000 to 540, those types of things. So we've got quite a few different adapters. Then we also, if you're just into doing some of the repair work, you can also get crosses as well. The one thing we need to do there is make sure the series size and get some of those measurements for us. If you don't happen to have anything to be able to measure outside of a tape measure, we do sell digital calipers through Sloan Express as well. Then we've got some other yokes here. Some of the smaller ones get into the 540s with the, for the tractor side, has that release pin. And if you get into some of the other repair parts, we also do supply just the shield. So if you're just looking to replace a shield, we do have some that actually come with the bearing kits. So you can match up quite a few different sizes. And we do have some other shields as well. You just got to figure out what bearing you need for those. And if you just want to do a full line assembly, we do have complete assemblies that have a constant velocity U-joint in them. Or if not, we do have what I would call as a standard PTO shaft. So if you have any other questions on them, you can give us a call at our 800 number, 800-934-9777, or you can check them out on sloanex.com.